So, I know you guys are going to think this is probably kind of ugly, but it's $2.99, and it's a recipe box. And I'm thinking about redoing it. So that'll be a craft I can bring you along. I love my recipe box. Like I said, it's a little not sure about the decoration, so I'm going to try to redo that one. Hey guys. Alright, I told you I'd bring you along. This was that recipe box. And I tried taking this stuff off the front of this. It didn't take off very easily, so I'm just going to spray over the top of this one. But I'm going to paint it black first, and I'm probably going to come back with some white chalk paint. Okay, come back out when it's dry and turn it over and paint it up. Peaceful out here, guys. Hear my little bubbler going. Alright, so this is my recipe box that I painted black. And I went and put some wax around the edges. And I'm going to paint it white with chalk paint. And that way I can kind of rough it up a little bit. Black will come out. Probably going to need 2 coats. And I'm planning on putting some transfers on it. Make sure you can see. I got so many videos and I'm like, why didn't I look at the camera and make sure you guys could see? Sorry. I'm still new at this. Let's see, what else have I got to do today? Oh, I gotta go make a deposit for the show that I had this weekend. My business account. And I gotta go get some money out for spending money for my trip. I think I finished packing this morning. Except for last minute toothbrush and stuff. I'll grab that in the morning. be there for 7 days. Probably wishing it was a lifetime. I know I'm going to enjoy it. As I said earlier in another video, that this is on my bucket list of one of the places that I always wanted to go. I'm surprised none of y'all tried to do some guessing. Actually, we'll probably try to edit this video on the plane. Since we have like a 10-hour flight. Does that give anybody any guesses? That's one reason why Jim couldn't go. Like I said, he doesn't like to fly as it is. And with it being, well, just one leg of the flight is 10 hours. We'll fly out of Tulsa. And fly down to Houston. Fly out of Houston. That will be the long track. Feel like I'm in the sauna. Like when we go to work out. Woo! Hot. I like my little bubbly. Top of listening to the birds. Got the little sound of water. Anybody tried that out? I just now posted that video. Maybe not. Haven't had time to watch it to try it out, right? Give you another hint. You may get a sunburn. You guys even see my flowers? See them, how pretty? All bloomed out. A Centinella gardenia. Okay, that was a wasp. He can just stay away. Oh, it's a bad one too. Oh, it's a red wasp. To get done with this, I think it's about time I gotta go inside and clean up, shower, head to town, and buy the mate's appointments at 3:30 to get her nails done. Kind of sloppy right now, but I know I gotta do another coat. Alright. Yep, there was a Gigi. Oh, this is already dry, guys. Might as well do the other side. It's hot weather. That dried quick. I probably won't finish this one. Okay. Oh, there's another DG. Oh, big one. Oh, button. Alright. I'll come back when I finish it up. Alrighty, so I got this all painted. I kind of roughed it up a little bit. And I'm going to put this, of course it's backwards, family recipes. I'm going to put it on the front. And then I'm going to do some rub-on transfers on the top part right here. Oh, well maybe. Oh. I need to get some more. I have some, but I've been just needs to be a light coat. Just a light coat. Okay, I gotta try to get it straight. Okay. Alright, it's gotta dry for 24 hours before I try to start taking it off there. And we'll let it dry. That'll be cute. I may want to keep it. Probably not or not. I got my great big one. I got so many recipes that don't even fit in that. Okay.